All right, and here we have our first normal looking Transformer car in vehicle mode, which is Wheeljack. Yeah, I know we have Bumblebee and the Volkswagen, but the Volkswagen's a weird vehicle. There's your card, there's your instructions. Should be pretty easy for this one. So we got our box out of the way, our parts. I'm sure a wheel's gonna start trying to steer off. Nothing left, don't feel anything. There we go. So, yep, we got 2 axles. Now I gotta say this right here, if you could see, is pretty interesting. Even got an Autobot symbol there. But let's go on to the build. So step 1, you put your axles, wheels on. Here we go. And then over that, we're putting the base of the car, which I think goes like this. Yep. It doesn't snap. Looks kind of a very toyish car like this. But it'll still roll, right? Yeah. Okay. Step 3, we're putting on the hood, which is on a swivel joint? Not a swivel joint, a peg joint. So you can lift the hood and see all the cool stuff. That is very cool. And of course the spoiler. Putting the spoiler on now. Posts, lots of holes. I think you get it. Okay. Step 4 is the windshield. When you look at it like this section right here, it kind of looks like a crazy clown face. So for all you quadrophiliacs, we'll go ahead and cover it. It still don't cover it up. Still kind of looks clowny. Well, I hope I didn't ruin this for you. So, whoops. Did I put them on wrong? These instructions are so tiny. Yeah, okay. This doesn't go on yet. So this goes on. Okay. This goes on right here. Then this goes on right here. And the spoiler goes through right there. And there's a little slot right there, almost like there's supposed to be a gun, but no gun to be had. But still very cool. And then we have Wheeljack's vehicle mode. To go with that, for comparison, I got the only other Autobot car, unless you count Goldbug. I mean, same thing, just clear. Yeah, there are 2 Autobot vehicles that are cars. Now we have Rodimus Prime, Optimus Prime, and Inferno. So that should make for a cool display. All right, let's get ready for the next one.